Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In order to set up a Yahoo Mail, you can go ahead and download the Yahoo Mail application, or you can simply go open your web browser. Now, as soon as you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.yahoo.com and press the enter. Doing this will take you to the Yahoo homepage. Now, in order to set up a new Yahoo Mail, go and click on the sign in button at the upper right. As soon as you do that, you'll be taken to the sign-in page of Yahoo. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your credentials in the text field. You can enter any one of them mentioned. After you do that, click on the next button, and on the next page type in your password for your account and log into your account, just like that. In order to set up a new Yahoo Mail account, go and click on Create an Account. Once you do that, you'll need to fill in some information about yourself. In order to create an account, start by typing in your first name, and then enter your last name in the next text field. Go to the next field, where it says email address. You can select any email address from the suggestions displayed below. If not, you can go ahead and type in your own username as well. Now move on to the next field and type in your password for your account. Make sure to create a strong password. In order to keep your account secure, you can click on the Show button at the right corner in order to double-check your password. Before moving on, once you're sure you've typed in the correct one, move on to the next field and select your region or your country from the drop-down menu. Now, after you do that, type in your mobile number. Make sure to type in the mobile number that you have access to. Once you do that, choose your date of birth information from the drop-down. On the next field, enter your gender, or if you don't wish you into it, then you can skip this step for now. Since it's optional, I'd prefer to type it down. Now after you do that, click on the Continue button. On the next page, you'll need to verify your phone number. So make sure you've typed in the correct one. If you realize that you have typed in an incorrect phone number, that now is the time. Simply go ahead and edit it after you're sure this is the correct phone number. Click on Text me a verification code. Check your phone to receive a verification code sent by Yahoo. Once you receive the code, simply type it in. After you do that, click on Verify, and you've successfully created a Yahoo account. Click on Then, and there you go. In order to go to your email, go and click on the Mail button at the upper right. Go ahead and pick a theme for your inbox. You can select a multitude of themes that you find attractive. Choose the light effect for your Yahoo inbox as well. Choose between light, medium, or dark and click on Next. That way you can set up your Yahoo Mail account in no time. If you wish to send your very first email, then go ahead and click on Compose, typing the email of the recipient into the two text fields. Type in your subject, your body of the message, and click on Send. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.